What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will try to find the real information why this stock fell off the cliff during last several sessions. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, right after SENS fell down from the range of 3.86 to this one at 2.42 for more than 37%. And I've told you right here that we might see lower price action because we don't have any signs of support at this very range. And I've told you that we have several ranges of support. First of all, it was previous swing low, this double bottom pattern. Then it was this green line. It is the bottom of the previous support and resistance. Let me show it to you right here. It was this range of top of the third internal wave and fourth wave of the retracement. And for now, this range holds. And on top of that, we have next range of support that is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top of the movement of this asset. So, and for now, we don't have much support from these ranges. This means we might see the trend continuation, unfortunately, to the downside. And I have to say that despite of decent news for entire markets, we have very weak price action from the Senseonics stock. And let me show you the recent news. Definitely the main news is right here. And we are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published on February 16th and it's titled Stock Market News Live Updates. Stocks rally after Russia reports pullback of military troops. And let me quote you this. Wall Street's main benchmark rallied on Tuesday as investors went on potential de-escalation of geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Following news, some Russian military units will start returning to their permanent bases after completing drills near the Ukrainian border. And I have to say that it is a huge relief for the entire world. And let me show you that right here we have all of the indexes in green territory. S&P 500 gained about 1.58%, Dow is up for 1.22%, Nasdaq has 2.53% gains, and Russell 2000 has 2.76% gains. And why, despite of these green markets, Senseonics didn't spike up? And let me show you this list. I've told you that on February 11th, Highbridge Capital Management reduced its position by half. They sold about 45.05%. And then on February 14th, just 2 days ago, Gilder Gannon, Howe and Co. LLC closed its entire position and they sold more than 14.4 million shares. And definitely 6% of ownership was sold according to this filing. And definitely this is only the filing date and the actual deal was made before this filing. And definitely for now it was only the psychological sign for the majority of investors that this asset is very weak. On top of that, let me show you this article. We are on stocknews.com and this article is titled Is Senseonics Holdings a Smart Investment in 2022? And it was published on February 15th. And right here, let me quote you this. Raymond James, analyst Jason Bedford said, "We still view SENS as one of the most dislocated stocks in our universe, as estimates are trending lower and the valuation in our view is unsustainable. We respect management and acknowledge that the Eversense technology is differentiated, but expectations in our view are too high." And definitely this opinion also was a bearish catalyst. And let me show you that this asset has only 3 ratings, and one of them suggests to buy, one to hold, and one to sell. And the lowest price target is 80 cents, only 80 cents for this asset. Average price target is 1.9 cents, and the highest price target is $3. And to average price, it has about 10.38% of downside potential. And definitely it is not the good forecast, and that is why, for now, in my opinion, Senseonics has a very weak position. On top of that, let me show you right here. We have the short interest related to this asset, and on February 11th, the FINRA short volume ratio was 44.76%, extremely high volume of short positions. And right after that, when the stock fell to its current ranges, the short volume ratio is from 27 to 28%, and definitely we have the reduction in this short position. But nevertheless, this bearish pressure pushed the price of the stock down. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that on indicators we have a very good spike in RSI and a very good movement to the upside with the MACD indicator. But let me show you right here more thoroughly. But we have a good increase in its upticks, but we don't have much increase in price action. The highest bounce from the lower point was not more than 6%. And definitely it is a very weak price action, and definitely we might have a trend continuation to the downside. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this company? I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, this company is still very attractive in the long term, because with their 180 CGM system, that is the only system in the United States that has this huge period of use. And the closest rival has the CGM system that lasts only 1 month. Definitely it is a huge competitive advantage. On top of that, Essentia is the company that sells these CGM systems, has a very good number of branches all across the United States and Europe, and definitely it will increase their sales. But for now, we might see further movement to the downside with this asset, and that's why if you want to invest in this asset and you've already done your own due diligence, your accumulation levels will be on every daily red candle if you want to invest in this asset. Or if you follow my channel, you can use the next potential range of support that might be at 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly $1.5. And these levels might be quite decent for you if you realize all the risks related to this company. And for those of you who want to enter the swing trade position and who want to catch the bounce, for now it is extremely risky to open a long position, because I don't see any bullish signs, and I see only the signs of potential trend continuation, because this relief in RSI and this relief in MACD implies more downside potential with this harsh movement to the downside. And definitely you have to be prepared for this, and I don't think that we might see even a technical bounce anytime soon, at least for next couple of weeks. And let me show you that potential next catalyst that might affect the price of this company will be on March the 1st. And as you can see, on February 15th, they announced their fourth quarter and full year earnings release, and it will take place on March the 1st. So, if this forecast and if their earnings report will beat the expectations, definitely at this date we will see a bounce. But in my opinion, it is too early to make any position with this asset, because we have about 2 weeks to this day. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!